Hello everybody, I am Dr. Sendil, consultant cardiologist and diabetologist at Royal Care Hospitals, Neelambur, Coimbatore, and I am also assistant professor of cardiology in Coimbatore Medical College Hospital. And I would like to present a webinar on 25th of September at 6 o'clock in the evening. I invite everybody to join the meeting. The topic is on angiotensin receptor blockers and their use in cardiovascular diseases. And since the angiotensin receptor blockers are the main pillar in treatment of cardiovascular disease patients and as well as diabetic patients, we will have a detailed discussion on the day. Thank you everyone. I hope everybody will join the meeting. September 5 மாலை 6 மணி அளவில் என்னுடைய கருத்தரங்கு angiotensin receptor blocker in cardiovascular disease என்ற தலைப்பில் நடைபெறுகிறது. அனைவரும் பங்கேற்கவும். நன்றி.